Welcome back to the 3 Wallet model, your trusted framework for protecting and managing your blockchain-based assets safely and responsibly. In this video, we'll focus on the disposable wallet, your protective buffer for high-risk or temporary blockchain interactions, through a strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats analysis. By understanding these factors, you'll learn how to minimize exposure, contain potential damage, and safely explore the decentralized world. The disposable wallet acts as your first line of defense in high-risk situations. It's the wallet you use for airdrops, NFT minting, testing new dApps, or connecting to unfamiliar smart contracts. Think of it as your digital sandbox, designed to isolate risky activity from your main holdings. Its purpose is sacrificial protection. If something goes wrong, only a small amount is at stake. Before we dive in, here's a quick snapshot. A disposable wallet's strengths are isolation, safety through separation, and flexibility for experimentation. Its weaknesses lie in short-term usability and lack of continuity. It's not designed for storage or long-term dApp interaction. Opportunities include testing new blockchain features, verifying smart contracts, and exploring new platforms without financial risk. Threats include user negligence, fake token approvals, and unsafe wallet recycling. Let's unpack these next. Let's begin with strengths. This slide shows a disposable wallet setup with multiple accounts. Think of it like a deck of burner accounts inside one wallet. The disposable wallet is simple, fast, and safe to recreate whenever needed. Because it's easy and free to generate, you can use a new account for every high-risk interaction. Each disposable account acts as a safety buffer that contains risk inside a separate environment. If one account is compromised, you only lose the small amount inside that burner. A practical tip shown here: you don't need to delete the whole wallet, just eliminate the used account and create another fresh account inside the same wallet. That keeps your workflow fast while preserving isolation. Remember, keep only near zero assets in disposable wallets. Any valuable funds should be transferred to your frequent use or vault wallets following the secure transfer process explained in our dedicated video on safe transfers. While useful, the disposable wallet has a few weaknesses you need to understand, though remember, because this wallet is meant for temporary and high-risk use, there's not much to lose. First, it offers no built-in long-term protection. This is intentional. The disposable wallet isn't designed for saving or storage. It's meant for short-term, experimental, or high-risk activity. Second, these wallets can be forgotten or accidentally reused, which can reintroduce risk into your safer wallets if not handled carefully. Third, poor labeling or tracking can cause confusion between wallets or approvals, increasing the chance of operational mistakes. Still, because this wallet is disposable, any compromise usually has minimal impact. The whole idea is containment. If something goes wrong, you lose only what's inside that single wallet. If you find this content useful, please hit the thumbs up button. Your support helps us keep creating free, high-quality educational content. Thanks. Despite its short lifespan, the disposable wallet opens valuable opportunities for safe exploration in Web3. Use it to test unknown apps or smart contracts without putting your main wallets at risk. Claim airdrops or join free mints knowing any compromise stays isolated to that single wallet. You can enhance that isolation with legal privacy tools, VPNs, Tor browser, or separate browser profiles, to reduce network linking and hide your IP. These tools are especially useful when using disposable wallets because they limit how on-chain activity can be traced back to you. They can also help when you're cautious with a frequent wallet, but remember, the vault should remain offline and unconnected. Let's look at threats. Even though the disposable wallet is built for risky or experimental activity, it still requires constant awareness. The first threat is forgotten assets. Small balances, tokens, or NFTs left behind in old wallets can easily go unmonitored and become lost or exploited later. Next, reusing a disposable wallet completely breaks its safety model. Once it's been exposed to an unknown site or contract, that wallet should be considered burned and never used again. Reusing it reopens past vulnerabilities and defeats the purpose of isolation. Finally, using the wallet carelessly can expose metadata, such as your IP address, browser fingerprint, or linked wallet history, especially if you don't manage your privacy tools properly. To recap, the disposable wallet is a short-term, high-risk sandbox, quick to create, easy to replace, and excellent for isolating risky interactions. Use a fresh account for each experiment, delete or discard it afterward, and never store anything valuable there. Always keep only near zero funds in disposable accounts. If you need to move value, follow the secure transfer process. This has been a short introduction to the disposable wallet's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. We hope it helps you understand how to experiment safely, without putting your long-term holdings at risk. For examples, templates, and setup guides, check the resources linked in the video description below. For more on crypto and Web3 safety, visit www.cryptosafetyfirst.com, where you can access all our educational resources for free. Stay curious. Stay cautious. Stay in control. Thanks for watching.